Hello everyone and welcome to Mered. I am Artemi Marinin, Project Director for Riviera Residences, Abu Dhabi. I am pleased to share that construction works are advancing steadily and enabling works are now nearing completion. During May, we reached 394 installed piles out of 403, leaving just 9 remaining. Dynamic load testing has reached 72%, while cross-hole testing is currently at 20%. May also marks an important milestone with the opening of our floating sales gallery, the first of its kind in Abu Dhabi. It is now welcoming visitors and bringing the Riviera Residences vision to life. We are encouraged by the momentum on site and look forward to sharing more updates soon as we prepare to enter the next stage of construction.